Uh-huh. What are you guys looking at over there? Oh, they've got one of the rawhide sticks. I think Opal is the smallest, and she's the feistiest, too.
She's just trying to convey to the other dogs that those sticks are serious business.
Oh, well, they kept going, so you can get them. Okay. So what are you guys doing? You guys gonna play? Huh? Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Well, okay, it's getting a little dark, but here we go. So just to summarize, we've got Malik. Nope, sorry, this is Crystal. This is our little girl Crystal. Don't know what she's trying to get in there, but I'll take a look. And this is Pearl. And this is Perry. Hey, Perry girl. And then here we have Opal here in the middle. And Malik is the boy right here. Okay, let's see what we got in here. What do we got in here? Oh, a stick. Oh, we got it right. Okay. Oh. Were you in that dog food again, huh? Oh my gosh. They are all so adorable. So do we have them all? Yes, all 6 right here. What are you getting into? Okay, well, I want to shut off. I just wanted you to see the pups. Oh. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye, Opal.